Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a little bit different because we are posting this on Sunday, but I did go yard selling on Saturday at this really big yard sale and I wanted to vlog and I did an intro and everything, and then chaos hit and I was just trying to buy whatever I could because there was a lot of people there. So I am actually just going to do a little haul for you guys. I hope that is fine with you guys. Hopefully one day I can do the courage to, film throughout the day at a yard sale. But till then, we are going to just be doing a little haul, and I hope that is okay with you guys. So if you like any of these videos with the reselling, let me know down below. Maybe I can do some more hauls for you guys. So let's just get right into it. So everything that I'm going to show you was actually total $40. I brought $100. I only spent $40, which is really good. I haven't looked up sold comps yet, but I'm going to estimate it and then I'm going to post it on my Instagram, like how much I paid for it and what is my expected profit. So the first thing that I'm going to do, and I'm going to get it out of the way, is this. So I bought this set from a booth. So this is, as you can read, it's a 1970s silverware, stainless steel silverware, and it's 21 pieces. And you can tell I have to clean it up a little bit, but it was only $7 for all of this. But you can tell right here it says stainless Korea. So hopefully, I don't know. I know for a fact I have been watching a couple of YouTubers that has bought stainless steel. I don't know the sold comps for these, or if they do all forks and then sell it, or only spoons and sell that, or only knives. So we're just going to have to see for that. But that was only $7. The next thing that I'm going to show you was only $5, and I might actually keep this. So this is just huge tin. And I'll zoom out so y'all can see it. So this is how big the tin is. And it is a 1970s Sunshine Biscuit tin. And this was only $5. And I think it's really cute. It's very detailed in here. And, it's tin. Let's see if I can pop this open just a little bit. And here's the inside. It's very clean. There's no rust or anything. So I have not put a sold comp for that, but the last time I sold a tin, which was also a cookie / biscuit tin from Germany, I think I put it for $20 and it sold for $20 and only paid like $5 as well. So I might list this a little bit higher because it is actually bigger than the one that I sold a couple of months ago, and it's a little bit deeper than that. So we'll see about the prices for this. So the next thing that I got is the Vera Bradley. So this was only $3, and this Vera Bradley is a pill container. So it has the Sunday through Friday and plus the extra container. I did check it, all of it works. And here lately, Vera Bradley actually has been doing really well for me. I want to say, since I paid $3 for this, I'll probably ask for maybe, depending, probably $8 to $10 on this. So yeah, so it's cute. There's no tear or wear or anything like that. So it looks pretty much brand new. It has the signature right here, so you know that it's real. The next thing that I got was this, and it is a Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty usually sells really well. I just have to clean up the pencil mark right here. This is a bank, so it's blue, it's Hello Kitty. It does have a little chip right here, but it's really not that noticeable. I'm not gonna post this as high. This was, I believe, $3. And then they threw in this, which I'm probably not going to sell, but it is a Hello Kitty chip bag. If I had more of these, I would probably sell it, but I can always use this. I am going to look up sold comps on this, so we'll see. I can probably get, I'm going to have to say maybe, if it was $3, maybe $7, but I don't know because of the chip, so I'm going to have to do some research on that. But once I do my research, then I will post it on Instagram what my predicted profits would be. So the next thing that I got was this cute little teapot. And you can see that it is very well designed. right here on the spouse as well. There's no cracks or tears or anything. I paid $4 for this, and it still had the sticker, and the sticker said like $50, but I have no idea like if it had like cups or anything with it. So, and then you can tell right here, it is designed in England. So I did pick up that. The next one I picked up was this, and it's actually really pretty. I'm thinking about keeping it, but I don't know. And anything that you see here is not going to be posted until June. May is the month that I'm trying to get rid of most of my inventory that I have already put on my eBay. And if you want to check out my eBay store, if you just want to follow or something, that will be down in the description. Now, this is actually a cracker dish. So you just place your crackers on here. If you are a dip person that always makes dips, or, you know, host parties and you need a platter for crackers, then this one is really pretty. I absolutely love it. It's made in USA. There's no cracks or anything. Yeah, and it's really pretty. It has this really pretty like olive green color. And it's the 1960s, the 70s. Hagen tulip. Now, the next couple of things is actually Disney related. Now, Disney is very popular on eBay. I do really well on it. So, first off, we are going to be doing the Pixar. This is the Bugs Life. Now, Bugs Life is one of my favorite movies when I was growing up. Now, this is the Hallmark Keepsake, and it is the 1973 to 1998, 25 years of collecting memories. This is a Bug's Life, and there was only one that was listed. There was no sold comps. There was only one that listed for like $30, so I'm probably going to sell this because this is old, so it's not in like mint condition. The box isn't, but the inside is pretty good. I only paid $2 for this. So I'm thinking maybe I can get, I don't want to do too much. Maybe like $12 or so. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. I love it. I have decided that I'm going to be doing a Disney Christmas tree this year. I'm going to start it, but I'm only going to buy the ornaments from Disney whenever we go. I'm going to pick up an ornament or two. So I'm going to put that back. And yeah, so that is how much I'm probably going to do, like $12 or so. It just depends. And then the next thing that we got was this shower, and this has a tag and everything. It's Alice in Wonderland. It is a ornament, so it doesn't stand up completely, but it has the tag. It is Alice in Wonderland. It is, here's some information. It is Department 56, so it is hand painted. And this is the shower. I'm just going to clean it up just a little bit, but he is beautiful, beautiful. And he has his little tag still. And he is very cute. So he is on top, being lazy on top of the tree, and the tree has some glitter. There's the trunk, so it's super, super cute. I haven't looked up comps yet. I know this is a very bad video if I'm not looking up comps, but if I have to say, since it is used and it's not, you know, brand new, but it does still have the tag, it's going to be like brand new, like new with tag. So I want to say, because this was only $1, so I want to say probably maybe $8 to $10. I don't know. I'm trying to like lowball it a lot, but who knows. So the next thing that I know for sure, so this is Eeyore. Isn't he so cute? He has Eeyore. He has a little bird's nest and a little bird on it. So this is like really mint condition, like no cracks or anything. It is Taiwan, and I just have to clean him up a little bit. He is a little dirty, but that is fine. Now, I did see that there were some sold comps for like $20, $30, so I'm super excited about that. That is going to be a really good profit to flip because this was only $1 as well. So he is very cute, and it has Pooh and Friends, and it has it's Thailand, not Taiwan. Never mind. But isn't he cute? He is very cute with no cracks or anything. The next thing, which I did not see anything on eBay for this, but this is Alice in Wonderland, and she is at the tree. Her eyes are closed, so I'm sure she's just resting and everything. So this is very pretty. It's very clean. There is no cracks or anything, no breaks, and you can see that it has Disney Enterprise. So this one's really, really cute. Very good for display or a gift. So I don't know how much this is going to be. And then last but not least, I got another ornament. Let's see, I'm going to open this. Now this one's probably my favorite. So here he is. He is the white rabbit, and he has the clock. And he's running, you know how he is in the movie. So you have this, it says Thailand as well, and it says no time to say hello, goodbye, White Rabbit, 1999 Walt Disney Collection. So he is very, very, very cute. I absolutely love him. If he doesn't sell, I'm just going to put him on my tree. But he's very cute, no cracks or anything, and I believe he was $2. So he is very, very, very cute. All right, you guys, so that is it. So that is everything that I got for $40. So it was a lot of Disney stuff, but also a lot of like vintage, like the tin and the cracker dish, the silverware. So I'm super excited about everything that I got. If you like this video, I'm sorry that I did not show myself like going to the Goodwills, which I'm working on it, guys. I really am. But if you would like more of these hauls, go ahead and comment down below. I would be super appreciative because I actually love doing these hauls. So then you would know what I have, and then y'all can go to my shop. And it's usually, I don't do auction because I don't have like a big base or customer base on eBay for auction. So I do a lot of buy it now, but if you want to send me an offer, that would be great. I usually accept a lot of offers. Sometimes I do counter offer, but rarely, you guys. I rarely counter offer. But anyway, so all of these are not going to be posted until June. So everything that you've seen here will not be posted until June because I'm trying to get rid of a lot of stuff on my eBay right now. So just to let y'all know. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.